This is another elevator at Woodfield Mall in Schaumburg.
This is original from Taubman.
90s?
Yeah, 1995.
Fair enough. It's here. Let's go to upper level.
It's hot in here.
Oh yeah. It's got the old indicator.
Factory indicator.
Jesus.
Set it down.
I don't think there's gonna be an issue up here. Are these glass doors up here?
Yeah, they're all glass on both floors.
That's cool.
There's Isaac.
There's Dakota on this dark elevator.
It's very tall.
Security is everywhere here, people, so if you come here, be vigilant. Although they don't seem to mind. There's people waiting. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe and click like if you like what you see, and follow me on the web at isaac24.com. Bye-bye.